Welcome to Global New Military Updates. This is where military developments, global strategy, and modern weapons power are updated with a deep and emotional personal perspective. Each video is a beat of the times, where we analyze and reflect on power, war, and peace in a turbulent world. F-22 Raptor, the fifth-generation stealth fighter of the U.S., still maintains its superior position in the sky after nearly 20 years of service. However, a question is being raised whether the U.S. military should upgrade more than 180 of the existing F-22 or restart the production line, which has been stopped since 2011. Today's video will take you deep into the analysis, why the F-22 is still the king on the bridge, from technology, stealth, to the ultimate maneuverability, materials. These factors are enough to decide to revive the F-22 program in the context of the current unstable world. Since officially joining the U.S. Air Force in 2005, the fighter F-22 has maintained its superiority without encountering a worthy opponent. Initially, the F-22 was developed to deal with the threat from the Soviet Air Force. However, after the collapse of the Soviet Union, this type of fighter no longer encountered a worthy opponent. Even the Russian 57 officially entered service in 2020. The F-22 still holds the advantage in many combat functions. It is this superiority that has led to opinions within the U.S. about restarting the production line. F-22. If the F-22 continues to maintain its superior combat ability and is not obsolete, then the production to offset the number of old F-22s aging and need to retire is a reasonable solution to maintain the strength of the fleet. F-22. F-22 is a specialized fighter designed to gain air superiority. Its main mission is to destroy the enemy's main fighters to create safe conditions for other multi-role aircraft. In the U.S. Air Force, to operate effectively, because of this important role, calling F-22 a pioneer is completely accurate. Despite serving nearly 20 years, F-22 still maintains its ability to perform excellently. A pioneer in the current world military context. The secret to F-22, maintaining its leading position in advanced surfacing technology, which is not yet obsolete and continues to provide important tactical advantages on the modern battlefield. F-22 uses aerodynamic design, large in which the two vertical tails are angled 27 degrees. This design, combined with the overall stealth layout, including the main wing and the horizontal tails in trapezoidal shape with similar angle of retreat, helps to minimize radar reflection signals. These geometric elements are applied synchronously throughout the aircraft, create the superior stealth capabilities of the F-22. However, in the design of fifth-generation fighters, the external shape is the element that is most easily caught up by competitors. For example, the Russian Su-57 has also made many optimizations in the external design to increase stealth capabilities and aerodynamic performance, showing the constant competition in this field. What really helps the F-22 lies in the unique design details, such as the vector engine exhaust and S-shaped air intake with technology that Russia has not yet been able to successfully copy. The two-dimensional guided thrust nozzle system of the F-22 has the ability to disperse waves radar from the fuselage, interfere with enemy air defense radar systems, and reduce the radar reflection area from the rear. In addition, the rectangular engine nozzle of the F-22 is designed to quickly mix the hot air stream from the engine with the cold air outside. This design helps reduce the duration of the hot air stream during flight, while reducing the infrared signature at the tail of the aircraft. Thanks to these improvements, the F-22 is capable of effectively avoiding infrared-guided missiles for the enemy to launch. Continue to maintain tactical superiority on the battlefield. In contrast, the engines of Russian fighters, especially the Su-57, are still a point of controversy and doubt, although there is information that Russia is developing a new engine for the Su-57, with plans to equip the directional nozzle for future mass-produced versions. But reality currently shows all Su-57s are in service in the Russian Air Force, all exposed to the engine nozzle. This design significantly increased the radar reflection area, making the Su-57 more vulnerable to enemy radar, while the F-22's directional nozzle design not only aimed at increasing stealth, but also significantly improved the aircraft propulsion. Rectangular nozzles are harmoniously integrated with the design's straight fuselage, helps reduce aerodynamic drag when flying at high speeds.